the world's first tool that creates animation videos without installation and downloading. That is Canva Magic. Explore our newest range of premium Canva templates, crafted to elevate your creative projects and animations. Delve into a world of boundless opportunities and gain access to various templates ready for sale today. Pays me $200 plus over and over every day. Every day. For creates animation videos, it's so easy. Even anyone could do it. No install, no download, just access, just edit, and export. The features of Canva Magic, 1,000 plus DIY Canva templates for your social feeds and websites. Save your time to create your animation videos. Ready to use, no need to create from scratch. Easily charge between $100 to $500 per animation template. Step-by-step tutorials help you to get started in minute. Unlimited access and no monthly recurring fees. Resell right license included to sell them. No download files, all elements are included. In today's digital age, visual marketing has unquestionably proven to be the most potent and effective promotional tool. First impressions are immensely important, and visual marketing capitalizes on this by utilizing images, videos, and other visual media to create an appealing and durable first look. This explains the rapid growth and powerful marketing capabilities of platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. Businesses of all sizes have integrated visual marketing as an essential part of their marketing strategies. From branding and advertising to storytelling, the use of crisp and professional imagery helps to evoke emotions, connections, and ultimately actions from consumers. It not only makes information easily shareable across social networks, but also enhances brand recognition and stimulates engagement. Visual marketing appeals not just to the attention, but serves as a medium for conveying messages swiftly and distinctly. In a world awash with information overload, only those businesses that effectively utilize visual tools stand out and attract potential customers. Therefore, it's no exaggeration to say that visual marketing is the key to unlocking success for any modern business. A businessman like you must understand to make attractive visual marketing today, using animated videos and banner designs is the best power to get lots of traffic and sales. A few facts. People can remember information delivered animations up to 65% after 3 days, compared with just 10% for information delivered through text. Your potential buyer only read 10% of what they read. Your potential buyer only listened 10% of what they are listening. And this is the most amazing thing. Every potential buyer will see 80% of what they see. Visual marketing content must be able to explain and deliver the message of a product or service that you sell in a short time according to the conditions of the audience you are targeting. So, dear friend, if you want to buy this and want to know more, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.